Hello, sweetheart. Sweeto. I'm always Taliban, but with you, You know, baby, niko sightseeing, but nimeona nikupigie. Hey. No, what is the day today? At the 5th, baby, seriously. No, today is our date with NHIF. Before 9th of every month, we need to have cleared our monthly remittances, our annual remittances at NHIF. Hey! But have you paid? Baby, what do you mean no? Yes. Uko airport nataka kupanda ndege ukuje Nairobi. Ulipe NHIF. No. Did you know that you can now use M-Pesa to clear your monthly remittances or annual remittances at NHIF? Simple. Yes. Uko na ile simu nilikununulia M-Pesa. Sika simu. Enda M-Pesa menu. Usafika hapo. Click pale kwa lipa na M-Pesa. Pay bill. Pay bill number weka 200-222 200-222. That is NHIF business number. Suka hapo chini itakuuliza account number, weka namba ya kitambulisho chako baby. Imekuitisha amount. Of course, umesahau baby. Anyway, I'm always a reminder. 500 for every month. Yani kila mwezi unaweka 500. For 1 year unaweka 6,000 na unasahau. You have 20,000. Baby, do you think we should pay 1 month or we pay annual? Okay. Weka 1 year and I will top up. Nitakuongezea pesa ingine ya salon. Okay. Usaweka amount. Suka hapo chini, weka pin. No, baby, no. Shh. Pin yako ni siri yako. Terms and conditions apply. Weka pin yako peke yako baby. Usaweka. Ningoja SMS from Safaricom M-Pesa confirming that you've paid NHIF. No, don't. Usikate simu. I have the whole time. Na niko na airtime. Safaricom is on pay airtime. How's the toy car that I bought for you? Yeah, it's custom made. Written mean baby. How is the driver taking you? Calm. But baby, do you think we should have another baby this year? Yes. Because NHIF got us covered. Ati niwache jokes. Messages hafika. Now you can relax. Actually, your flight ticket ulikuwa umebook, you can cancel. I'm coming home tonight. NHIF bima yetu. Baby, NHIF bima yetu. Afya yetu.